When it comes to installing Python, it may seem easy and complicated at the same time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python the easy and the right way. Before we dive into downloading Python, you need to search whether you have Python already installed in your computer or not. Now to do that, we're going to go to the search bar and write PowerShell. We click on it. We're going to write Python version. So if you have Python, it's going to show you the version of the Python you have in your laptop. And if you don't have Python, it's going to tell you that there is no Python. It's not going to recognize the command. So that's it. I have Python already installed. Python 3.12.4. If you don't have, then this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Go to your browser, you type python.org. Python.org. So this is the interface we are all going to have. This is it. Let me scroll down a little bit so you can see. Alright, I'm sure all of us are here already. So what we do now is you come to download on the nav bar. You go to download for Windows. I'm using Windows, I'm going to go for Windows. You click on Python 3. That's it, downloading. Alright, so our Python has been downloaded successfully. Let us click on it so that we can begin the installation. Alright, so we need to click on use admin privileges when installing it, add that, and we also need to add Python to pub. It's important in some cases. I'm going to explain that. Okay, so let's install our Python now. Great, it's installing. Setup progress. Okay, now it's done installing. What we need to do is check if it has actually been installed. So we are going to check in our PowerShell as usual, and we are going to do the usual command python -- version in order to see the Python version that we have. And that's it, we have our Python installed, Python 3.12.4. Okay, hope we all succeeded. In the next video, we're going to download VS Code so I can actually start coding. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe.